What up, Joe, and welcome to another episode of Nemt University. So, we are coming to the close of 2025 and we rolling into 2026. So, what are we going to do as far as getting ourselves in alignment with getting your business started? We're going to talk about that in this video. So what up, though, NEMT family? So look, I want to give to you, I just want to get straight to the point. So this video is going to be quick, short. I just want to give you some insight. I want to tell you how gracious this industry has been to me and my family. And I just want to share with you how you can be a part of it or come in alignment with it as well. So first, I'm going to tell you, like, what is non-emergency medical transportation? What is the industry? Understanding what the industry is about. So imagine missing your dialysis appointments 3 times in 1 month because you don't have a ride, right? That could be detrimental to your health. Or think about a grandmother who can't get to her doctor appointment because of, public transportation, buses, what do they call that? The L trains, things like that. It is imperative that we all have access to, get to these appointments. And what if that's not the case? What if you are in some type of area where there's no transportation for you to get to these appointments? That's where people like you, me, and anybody else that's interested in starting a private transportation company, that's where we come in at. Non-emergency medical transportation is exactly what that says. It's non-emergency. It's not the ambulance. It's not anything to do with I guess the federal government or the state government to get you to wherever you need to get to as far as appointments go. So you can start a private transportation company, non-emergency medical transportation or non-emergency transportation company, whatever state that you're in, whatever they call it at that particular time. So I want you to come join us in this particular industry. There are many, I ain't gonna call them gurus, there are many players in the game that are giving you vital information, that's going to help you on your journey. With that being said, NEMT University, along with other teachers, want to help you get into, I would say, this industry because I believe, this is one of the most lucrative and fulfilling businesses that you can start up in 2026. So now that we are fast approaching 2026, what are we going to do? So what we are doing, we are rolling out we're going to continue bringing the videos to you. Like, the videos are helpful, but I know you need, hey, look, Dante, I need some step-by-step guide on how, what I need to do to get started. Now, these videos are pretty in-depth, meaning the videos that we put on YouTube for you guys as far as learning information. I want to get you there to the point where you are networking with other NMT providers. You are networking with all the software companies that provide, these tools that help your business grow, help your business run on a day-to-day basis. And with that being said, what questions that we can answer for you that help you further on your journey? Because I have questions where people say, I got everything started, so what do I do next? Okay, so have you reached out to a broker? If you have, then do you know what the broker's requirements are for you to, partner with them? Those are the things, those are some unanswered questions that I believe that need to be addressed. There's only so much that we can do in these YouTube videos, right? To share with you how to get started. And if you follow the steps, now each state is different. I want to always premise that, each state is different as far as, requirements that they have. Do you have your PASS certification? Do you have your CPR certification? Do you have a business license? Do you have an office set up? Is an office required in your state? Do your drivers require CDL? What do you know all this information? Are you doing your homework? That's the most important part. I want everybody to get. I want you to understand that particular part. You have to do your homework. Don't rely solely on what we say on the internet, because, like I said, I'm in Michigan. I know MJ Reliable is in California. I know My girl, she's in North Carolina. Can't think of it right now. But my point is, everybody has their own jurisdiction, and each jurisdiction has a different set of rules and requirements that they have to follow. And with that being said, you have to do your own due diligence. We can give you basically the blueprint, right? But you have to go basically do your own work research and make sure that that applies to you and what you got going on in your particular state. Now, I believe that there's many things that we can do as far as a community go. I have my private NEMT community, nemtuniversity.substack.com. I'm gonna put it on the screen. nemtuniversity.substack.com is where you can get podcasts. You have templates, ebooks. There's information over there. I believe everybody should have the NMT for Dummies dictionary, which teaches you basically all the lingo that goes on within the industry. So when you're talking to a broker, or if you're talking with a private medical facility and they throw out certain terminology, you won't be sitting, just sitting like like you don't know what you're going on. You know what I'm saying? Like you going into, say for instance, you're specializing in you're electrician and you're going into mechanic school. I'm saying those things don't match up because they have two totally different, terminology and things, the way that they communicate. That's the same thing with non-emergency medical transportation. So you want to get abreast on what type of, the lingo that we use in that particular industry, right? And we have that dictionary over at nemtuniversity.substack.com. And if you need it, just go ahead and email me at nemtuniversity@gmail.com. Because, like I said, I want to provide as much information that I can to help you on your journey, but at the same time, I want to make sure that you are equipped with the tools to help you navigate in this particular industry. Because it's not going to be a easy road, to get here. There's certain things that might frustrate you, and you might scale back. But I'm telling you, don't scale back, because we're moving into 2026. And as you see, the climate that we are in right now, meaning the state of politics and the way that things are being taken away in the government, from the government, that's going to directly affect you and your family. So why not start preparing now? This is the last day of 2025. And we're rolling into 2026, just like I said. So you need to be preparing for it. If it's not non-emergency medical transportation industry, you need to be doing something to prepare you and your family for what's lying ahead. I'm not a doomsday type of person, but I am a person that always prepare for what's ahead. And with that being said, I'm trying to align you guys with the tools that you're going to need if you want to start a business such as non-emergency medical transportation. Again, like I said, you don't have to, but I believe this is something, this is one of the best industries that you can put yourself in to make some great money and to meet some great people. And also you're just going to be helping out the community. Because again, I gave you those statistics in the beginning. A lot of people, this could be a neighbor of yours, family member of yours, that are not able to get to these appointments, and that's really detrimental. Especially if they need to get to dialysis appointments. Those are very, very important. So with that being said, we are aligning and we are rolling out our course, and we're going to make it accessible for everybody. We're going to make it cost effective for everybody. So what you want to do is, if you want to get on our waiting list for the course that's dropping, it's going to be $97. It's just going to be $97. So all the information that you're going to get, it is going to be way worth $97. It should be a $997 course or $2,997 course. But like I said, going into 2026, I know what is going to be what's going to be ahead as far as the country go, and it's not getting any better. Inflation is killing everybody, not just me, Not just, you know what I'm saying, it's everybody. Everybody's being directly affected by what's going on in our country at this time right now. So for me doing my part, I have created a course. We just finalizing the editing and things like that. So I want to make something that's going to be accessible to everybody that wants to get started in the non-emergency medical transportation industry, courtesy of NEMT University. Again, course is going to be $97. If that's something that you're interested in, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? You can get the pre-order. $97 is what you're going to get. I mean, it's what the cost is going to be. I'm just want to do this for my community. I've been in this industry since 2016. We are going on, not as a owner. Let me get that straight. Not as an owner, but I have been in the industry since 2016 as a driver's provider. And my give back to you guys is for basically opening the door for me and my family to, purchase homes and things like that. I want to give back, and I want to make sure that you guys are able to get the information at a cost-effective rate. So I want you guys to leave a comment or reach out to us at nemtuniversity@gmail.com. Also, I want you to go to nemtuniversity.substack.com. Go over there and become a member. Subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you a thing. And get some of them tools and information that we have over there. We're going to be getting real active over there as the time progresses moving forward. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys. You have supported NEMT University channel for a long time, and it has been overwhelming and a blessing all at the same time. Like I said, I basically share what I have going on with you guys, and like I said, I have a new grandbaby, and that has been the light, you know what I'm saying, that spark that has been making me happy, right? And I wish this for everybody. So again, I contemplated doing the course and price structure and all that, and I believe this is the best thing that I can do for you guys. So I look forward to you starting your journey. Whether you rock with me, get my course, or whatever the case may be, just get the information and apply it. That's the main thing. Get your information, apply the information that you receive, so you can help your family on a journey to independence. You know what I'm talking about? So I see you on the next one. Love, peace, and light. I see you. Salute.